Hey, it's Robin, and I'm going to do a quick video on this homemade coconut flour protein bar that I just posted a picture of, and now everybody wants a recipe, so I thought I would do it really fast for you. So you are going to take a half a cup of quality protein, about a third cup of coconut flour, and a quarter cup of oatmeal. And so I've mixed that all together right here, okay? That's pretty easy. Then I sprayed my pan over here. Let's see if I can do this. Yay, can you see? Just with some coconut oil. And then I'm gonna sprinkle my toasted coconut. I'm doing it all together because I try to be fast. So once this gets slightly brown, I let it sit like barely a minute or two, medium heat. You might have to figure it out based on your pans. And I'm gonna let the pecans, I'm sorry, I don't know if I mentioned that, a quarter cup of pecans, a quarter cup of oats. Liar, I lie like a rug. A quarter cup of pecans toasted with flaked coconut in my pan. And I'm just gonna toast that. I'm gonna add it to my protein coconut flour mix, okay, with the oats. And that is it. As soon as my coconut and pecans are toasted, I'm going to add them together. I'm going to add enough liquid to make them sticky. And when I make them sticky, again, I'm just going to do it. It's going to be a little bit gooey. I have to let this toast a little bit. I don't want to make this too long. Okay, just a pan like this again. I use my little coconut oil. And I'm going to push down. By the way, I found that if I wet my hands, it really helps. I'm going to push that down, and then all I'm going to do in the meantime, 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I like the mini ones. I'm going to throw them in the microwave for like a minute, okay? So just enough for them to get, milky. And then once I put my protein powder combination into my little pan, I guess it's a bread pan, and push it down again, moisten my hands. I'm going to dump the little bit of chocolate on top and smooth it. It's going to be a nice thin layer. And really, that's it. That's what we've got going on. And oh my gosh, that toasted coconut smells delicious. And if you don't like nuts, and I don't typically, I just felt like the bar needed a little bit to it. So, and that's it. And then I like to keep them in the refrigerator so they're not as sticky. Cut them up. For me, it's about 4 servings. This is not, I would say, a low-fat recipe. Your quarter cup of nuts has about 22 grams of fat. The quarter cup of toasted oats has 11 grams of fat. So you're looking at 30 divided by 4, close to 10. There is some fiber. I don't know if you can see this. They're nice and looks lovely. Wish you could smell it. It's going to go right into my mix. Look at that. And that's it. You can add, I did add also a quarter cup of peanut butter powder. You don't have to do that. I just wanted the extra flavor. I have a high quality vanilla protein that I love. Beverly International UMP is one of them, and so it's sweet in and of itself. So I don't add any sweetener. You can play with that if you want to. And that is it. So in 4 minutes flat, you got protein brownies, and they're delicious, and you'll love them. So have fun with it.